How you going, guys? Curtis from Cutting Edge Engineering. So today's job, we're going to be getting back onto our Franna crane project. So because I don't need to do any heavy lifting for the next couple of weeks, our yard crane is going to take up all the slack unloading trucks and reloading them, so we can afford to have this out of commission for a while. Today we're going to be going under the crane. We do have a few things we need to do. I am going to pull out the steer cylinders. I also need to remove the air tanks because they are extremely rusty, and a lot of the air lines that run from the tanks to the boosters, they are all starting to perish and come apart. And anything else that we notice while we're under there, we'll pull that off as well. So the first thing we're going to be doing is removing the steer cylinders. So in order to do that, I do need to cap off all the hydraulic lines, then we can knock out all the pins and take the cylinders out. Now we'll do this side. Right, now we need to get the other ends really loose. Right, I'll come over your side and do the other one. Hand doesn't go that way. There you go, back over that side. So I've got all of our hydraulic lines capped off and our grease lines removed. Now I need to undo the nut that holds the pin in place, knock out the pins, then I can remove the cylinders. So if you're wondering why I'm not doing this in the igloo in the shade, it's because that area is full of stuff, and I'd rather be out here on the concrete than be trying to screw around in there on the gravel or move everything out of the way. Nah, I'm gonna get something. Right, that's that one loose. We'll go to that one. Righto, so I've got both of our steer cylinders removed. They came off pretty much trouble-free. I'm not going to disassemble these just yet. I do want to get the air tanks out, so we'll get them out, take off the damaged air lines, and start getting some new parts organised. Let's make sure there's no air in it first. Right. Just coming off anyway. They're all pretty sad. Oh, really? One more. He's in a terrible spot. Oh, I can't get to it from here. Can't even see it. Aha. How? They're banana bolts. Now it's stripped the bolt in the nut. Great. Are you ready? Let's that tank out.
Hold on, what's in there? Oh my god, oh my god. Hey, 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 oh no! Stop! Homeless, sit. Stay. Whoa. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hang on. Hey, excuse me. No, no, drop it. Homeless. No. Oh. All right, sit. Spin around. Spin around. Lay down. Don't walk. Good boy. Poor GoPro.
So I've got most of the hoses off the front tank. Unfortunately, all the bolts are severely seized and I can't undo them. So I'm going to use the oxy to cut the bolts off. Righto guys, so I've got both of the air tanks off. While I'm still under the crane, there is part of the brake mechanism for the front left-hand wheel that looks like something has hit it and bent it out of shape. So the front brakes on the left-hand side aren't currently working because everything's been twisted. I'm going to take the wheel off and we're going to try and disassemble all of that to see if I can get spare parts for it. Stub can. Brakes must be holding. Everything's spinning. Righto guys, so I've pulled out the axle, I've undone the locking nuts and removed the bearing. I was hoping just to pull the hub and the drum off in one piece. Not only is the S-cam mount bent, but it is cracked and it is pushing pressure against the brake drum, which means I can't pull it off the actual diff housing. So I'm gonna have to get a porta power in there, put it in between the front push pad and the booster, and I'm gonna try and push that out of the way so I can then remove the drum and the hub in one hit. Everyone's just so seized. Righto guys, so I've got that brake assembly off. You can really notice the crack in it now, and the entire assembly is pretty well destroyed. There is a lot of corrosion and a lot of rust in there. So we're gonna have to try and find a replacement one of those, whether it be genuine or aftermarket. After looking at that one, the brakes haven't been working at all because the shoes are still in really good condition, but I am quite interested to go through the other three wheels and see what they look like. So I will end up doing that, but I'm not gonna go and open that can of worms until I know for sure I can get replacement parts.
Get him! Get him!
What you doing? Oh, what you doing?
Go inside.
So before I start ordering any new parts, I am going to disassemble the steer cylinders to see what parts I need for those. Seal groups are in good shape. Got O-rings. There's a backup ring in there. It's not a threaded hole. Maybe a roll pin. Nope. Nothing's moving. Loctite. Oh. it's got anything in it.
Yeah.
So we've got our steer cylinders disassembled. Unfortunately, we do have one clevis that is seized onto the rod. So I am gonna have to put that in the lathe and try and machine it out and repair that thread. If not, the company that manufactured those cylinders is still around and I should be able to get the clevis from them if I can't reuse that one. But the barrels are in good condition, the glands are okay, the pistons are good, it's only the rods that are damaged. So we will end up re-rodding them and throwing in a new set of seals and giving them a paint job. Those particular cylinders are available off the shelf, but it's not cost effective for us to buy a new set considering it's only the rods and seals that need replacing in these. So that's as far as I'm going to go today. We got our steer cylinders off and disassembled. We got our air tanks out and a few of the damaged hoses. We also got the broken brake assembly off the front left hand side. So I do have a lot of parts I need to order. I'm not going to pull any more off the crane until I get this sorted out, but you'll have to stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.
Oh, are you okay?
I need to get comfortable. I'm not
Are you comfy?
Am now.
Okay.
You ready? Righto guys, so while, oh wait, how are we going to get into that? Wait, where am I starting? What's after that? How did I start it? But how are we finishing it? Right, you ready?
Yes. Oh. Righto guys.
I know that bit, what's after it? Hey mate, what's happening? Where's your creeper board? I don't have one, I'm not a mechanic.
We have cardboard.
I did own a dog bone, but I lent it to someone and they drove over it with my crane.
Oh, what the hell? Who was that?
Your mate Harris. Sloppy. Oh, all those lines are fucked. Fitting's fucking. Oh, no, they're solid. I'm not going to bother.
Ah! What the hell? Why is there water in it?
Most trucks have got auto drains, so they just blow off every now and again.
Doesn't blow off.
Get your fucking mind out of the gutter. Right.
Oh, that's your phone.
Ah.
It's all the way down the other end too.
Hopefully we don't have to cut them off.
Damn it, I knew that would happen.
Fuck. I'm gonna sit here for a bit. Ah, what the fuck is hot in my neck? Ah, the end of the spanner.
A dead spider just fell out. I hope it's dead. Oh, poor little fella. What was that? Wasp nest. Oh, another one.
That's
Oh.
Fucked up your home and then I burnt him. Poor little guy. You know what the problem is?
They're banana.
They're imperial. They're bent. They just don't come out.
Oh no, the rag's on fire. What? Ooh. Is this for real? That's funny. Does it even go that small? Oh yeah. So wonky. Because it's fit. He absolutely destroyed that package. He's like, go away, you dumb peewee bird.
I want to be your friend.
It's definitely springtime.